Have you ever cooked one of these before?
Oh, yes.
But I mean, it take like 5 hours, right?
Not necessarily. What? What do you think? 20 minutes?
I don't know. Okay, you sure this is gonna work? Okay, you're the chef. Just put on some vegetables and come and say hello.
Maestro, my taste buds are positively tingling with anticipation.
Oh, no thanks.
I think we'll pass on the appetizer.
So, Bean, big day Tuesday. Your big day, my big day. I have a question for you.
He's very attentive to detail. Everything must be just so. Dean, I think we need to be honest with each other. I cannot deny that over the last days, some suspicions have begun to kind of gather in my mind, and I would just like to ask you some direct questions. Okay? Number one, are you a doctor? Number two, do you know anything about art? Just for instance here, was Leonardo da Vinci an American basketball player?